Simple prepositions, a foundation for English language learning. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we'll delve into the fascinating world of prepositions, specifically focusing on simple prepositions. Prepositions are essential in understanding the relationships between objects, people, and places. So, let's get started and explore the fundamentals of simple prepositions. Simple prepositions are small words that help us express relationships between nouns or pronouns and other words in a sentence. They are usually short and single-word prepositions, such as in, on, at, by, and with. These prepositions are versatile and can convey various meanings depending on the context. For example, consider the sentence, "The book is on the table." Here, on indicates the position of the book relative to the table. Simple prepositions often convey concepts of location, time, direction, possession, and more. Let's take a look at some common examples of simple prepositions and their usage. 1. In. We use in to express being inside or enclosed within something. For instance, he is in the room, or the cat is in the box. 2. On. On indicates being in contact with or positioned above something. For example, the cup is on the table, or she placed the picture on the wall. 3. At. We use at to specify a particular location or point in time. For instance, I'll meet you at the park, or we have a meeting at 2 p.m. 4. By. By expresses proximity or a means of transportation. For example, the bus arrived by the station, or she traveled by plane. 5. With. We use with to indicate accompanying or being together. For instance, he went to the party with his friends, or she painted the picture with a brush. Remember, these are just a few examples of simple prepositions, and there are many more to explore. To help you use simple prepositions correctly, here are a few tips and common mistakes to avoid. Tip 1. Consider the context. Simple prepositions can have different meanings based on the context in which they are used. Pay attention to the relationship between objects, people, or places in the sentence to select the appropriate preposition. Tip 2. Practice with collocations. Certain words are commonly paired with specific prepositions. For example, we say, in the morning, on the weekend, and at the beach. Learning these collocations will improve your overall understanding and fluency. Common mistake: confusing in, on, and at. These three prepositions often cause confusion. Remember that in is used for enclosed spaces, on for surfaces, and at for specific locations or points in time. Congratulations! You have now gained a solid foundation in understanding simple prepositions. Remember to practice using them in your daily English conversations and written communication to reinforce your learning. By mastering simple prepositions, you'll enhance your overall language skills and convey your thoughts more accurately. Keep up the great work, and we'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore more fascinating aspects of English grammar.